Hello, I am Brady from Class 6A and I am number 4, and this is my incredible edible cell project. The first organelle I'm going to start with is the cell wall. The cell wall is located on the outer part of the cell. The purpose of the cell wall is to form a definite shape for the cell. I chose chicken breast for this organelle. Next is the cell membrane. It is located behind the cell wall, and it is what you call selectively permeable. It chooses what can go into the cell and what can go out of the cell. I chose the crust of the bread for this organelle. Next is the cytoplasm. This helps organelles and other materials from colliding with each other and causing damage, as well as moving materials around. I chose the inner part of the bread for this. Next is the chloroplast. The chloroplast contains chlorophyll, which gives it green pigments. It uses energy which it absorbs from the sun to produce food for the cell. I chose lettuce for this organelle. After that is the nucleus. The nucleus is sometimes called the brain of the cell as it controls all of the functions of the cell. It contains the DNA of the cell. I chose the white part of the egg for this organelle. Right next to that is the nucleolus, which is on the inside of the nucleus. It is responsible for the production of ribosomes, and I chose the yolk of the egg for this organelle. Right next to these are the smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum. These are often shortened to smooth and rough ER. The rough ER contains ribosomes which is made by the nucleolus, as well as it also transports them. The smooth ER makes lipids for the cell. I chose turkey for the rough ER and ham for the smooth ER. Next is the vacuole. The vacuole contains many different substances such as food and nutrients, as well as waste. This helps prevent the entire cell from being contaminated with different waste products. The vacuole in plant cells are significantly larger than they are in animal cells. I chose a thin slice of chicken to represent this organelle. After that is the mitochondria. The mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell. They're where cellular respiration takes place and where energy is produced. I chose cheddar cheese for this organelle. Next are the ribosomes. The ribosomes are packaged by rough endoplasmic reticulum and shipped off to be turned into proteins for the cell. It is represented by torn egg whites. It is located on the rough ER to show that it is made there. And lastly, the Golgi complex. The Golgi complex is responsible for changing and sorting proteins sent from the rough endoplasmic reticulum and transporting them to their destination. I chose turkey pepperoni for this organelle. This is the end of my incredible edible cell project. Thank you for listening, and may God bless you.